Welcome to English in a Minute. A clam is a type of shellfish that lives in water. But what do you think this idiom means?
Clam up. Hey, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went on a nice bike ride and met friends for dinner. Oh, what beautiful weather.
And how did your date go Friday with my friend Pat?
Well...
Uh-oh. Why are you clamming up? Come on, talk.
I'm sure he's great. I just don't think we're right for each other.
To clam up means to say nothing or stop talking. This idiom compares a clam closing its shell to a person shutting his or her mouth. We use this expression to describe a person who, for whatever reason, does not want to give a response. And that's English in a Minute.